The sandwich is practically an American institution. After all, have you ever seen a sandwich in Russia? I don't think so. As far as these boys are concerned, their sandwiches are made with actual meat and vegetables, instead of gelatins and preservatives left over from the war effort. When Sally Gasco and her mother brings guests over for a sandwich, they're expected to make it, because the men are busy doing important things like critical thinking and having valuable opinions. Sally's sandwich is called My Black Friend, because she hopes it's something that will shock the whole family. This is a sandwich for forks, also known as an open-faced sandwich. If the sandwich were Italian, we'd call it a pizza, or a two-faced sandwich. The base will be rye bread, which was Mother's idea because she believes the flavor will help contrast the bland fish choice, and because Sally's suggestion was to just use melted crayons. Be sure to use a very large cube of butter, as the Surgeon General says it's great for your heart, helping to lube up your arteries. Sally's mother remembers when we dropped Fat Man on Nagasaki. Part of the trick to entertaining unexpected guests is keeping cheese around of the easy melting type. Hard melting type cheese is a fool's errand and will make you look absolutely shameful if any of your guests find any in your fridge or pantry. The simmer flame will keep the water boiling, so Sally can enjoy potential hours of cheese-melting fun. She adds the canned fish-style tuna fish and uses a wooden spoon to incorporate the earth element into her water bending. Because she's a good judge of her daughter's cooking ability, Sally's mother prepares a salad dish for the guests to subsist on once the grim reality of Sally's cooking ineptitude crosses their palates. Sally adds potato chips to the menu, which, according to the original script, used to be only for picnics, but now can make table fare more fun for teenagers. Holy shit, am I glad I had video games growing up. The bread was toasted quickly in the broiler, while the broiler was breaded quickly in the toaster. Let's see, what will be the beverage? Mother thinks she'll give the guests a choice of Coke or milk. Based on her reaction, this is the smartest idea she's had all month. Now it's time to serve. 2 slices of broil are put on a plate while the milky fish cheese goes on top. Sally knows you should serve cream dishes with extra caution. The cream could reach out and strike at any moment. Mother is a firm believer in useless food decorations, so she coats the plate with some parsley. Sally adds some Tabasco to try to cover up the fact her food has the texture of something that's already been chewed. And what do the boys think of this delicious treat? Why, they continued to eat hot dogs, hamburgers, and Cokes, of course. The sandwiches were promptly placed in the trash and never spoken of again.